Welcome everyone to my pack. I'm so happy to have you here today. We're going to talk about something very important for all you lucky husky owners out there. Grooming. Now your huskies, they're powerful, independent animals with those beautiful thick coats. They need our help to stay clean, healthy, and feeling their best. And trust me, a well-groomed husky is a happy husky. We're going to go step by step through everything you need to know, from brushing to bathing, and even how to keep those pearly whites sparkling. Let's get started. Let's be real. Huskies are notorious shedders. Those thick double coats are amazing for keeping them warm, but they do mean regular brushing is a must. Brushing isn't just about keeping the shedding under control though. Think of it as a bonding experience for you and your husky. It's a time to connect, build trust, and show your dog you care. Plus, regular brushing helps distribute natural oils in their fur, keeping their coat healthy and shiny. Start by finding a comfortable spot for both of you. I like to have my dogs lie down on their sides so I can reach all areas easily. Use gentle, long strokes and always brush in the direction of hair growth. Don't forget about those hard-to-reach areas. Pay special attention to behind the ears, under the legs, and around the tail. These areas tend to mat easily, and mats can be uncomfortable and even painful for your dog. Now I know what you're thinking. How often do I need to brush all that fur? Well, during shedding season, daily brushing is ideal. Yes, you heard that right, daily. The rest of the year, you can probably get away with brushing a few times a week. Remember, consistency is key. Regular brushing will keep your husky's coat healthy, reduce shedding, and strengthen the bond between you. Just like a carpenter needs the right tools, so do we when it comes to grooming our huskies. Now there are a lot of different brushes out there, but don't worry, I'm going to simplify it for you. First up, the slicker brush. This is your go-to for everyday brushing. It has fine, short wires that are great for removing loose hair and preventing mats. Look for one with a flexible head to avoid scratching your dog's skin. Next, we have the undercoat rake. This tool is essential during shedding season. It has longer teeth that reach deep down into the undercoat to remove all that loose fur. Trust me, your vacuum cleaner will thank you. For those pesky mats and tangles, you'll want a dematting comb. This comb has sharp blades that can cut through even the toughest mats. Be careful when using this one though, and always go slowly to avoid hurting your dog. Finally, a pin brush can be used for finishing touches. It has rounded tips that help distribute natural oils and leave your husky's coat looking shiny and healthy. Remember, the right brush can make all the difference in your grooming routine. Choose wisely, my friends. Now let's talk about bath time. I know, some huskies aren't exactly fond of water, but with a little patience and the right approach, you can make it a positive experience for both of you. First things first, choose a shampoo and conditioner specifically designed for dogs. Human shampoos can be too harsh for their skin and strip away essential oils. Look for a formula that's gentle and moisturizing. Before you even think about getting your husky wet, make sure you have everything you need within arm's reach. Shampoo, conditioner, a few towels, and maybe even some treats for good behavior. Use lukewarm water, never hot, and wet your dog's coat thoroughly. Apply the shampoo and work it into a lather, avoiding the eyes and ears. Rinse thoroughly, then repeat with the conditioner. Now comes the fun part, drying. Some huskies might tolerate a hairdryer on a low cool setting, but most prefer to air dry. If you're using a hairdryer, be extra careful around the face and ears. After the bath, give your husky plenty of praise, and maybe even a special treat. Remember, positive reinforcement is key to making bath time a happy experience. Chapter 4. Nail Trimming, a Necessary Chore. Nail trimming is one of those grooming tasks that many dog owners dread, but it's crucial for your husky's health and well-being. Overgrown nails can cause pain, discomfort, and even lead to joint problems. The key to successful nail trimming is to make it a positive experience for your husky. Start by handling their paws regularly from a young age, so they get used to it. When you're ready to trim, use sharp, high-quality dog nail clippers. I prefer the guillotine type, but you can also find scissor-type clippers. Cut the nail at a 45-degree angle, just below the quick. The quick is the pink part of the nail that contains blood vessels and nerves. Cutting into the quick will cause bleeding and pain. If your husky has dark nails, it can be difficult to see the quick. In this case, it's best to trim a little bit at a time, checking for the quick after each cut. After trimming, use a nail file to smooth out any sharp edges. And don't forget to reward your husky with praise and treats for being a good sport. Those pointy husky ears aren't just adorable, they also need regular cleaning to prevent infections and other problems. Start by inspecting your husky's ears regularly. Healthy ears should be clean, pink, and free of any foul odors. If you notice any redness, swelling, discharge, or a bad smell, consult your veterinarian. To clean your husky's ears, use a veterinarian-approved ear cleaning solution. Soak a cotton ball with the solution and gently wipe the inside of the ear flap. Never use cotton swabs or insert anything into the ear canal itself, as this can damage the eardrum. If you're unsure about cleaning your husky's ears, ask your veterinarian or a professional groomer for guidance. Just like us, huskies need regular dental care to maintain good oral health. Dental problems can lead to bad breath, tooth decay, gum disease, and even more serious health issues. Brushing your husky's teeth regularly is the best way to prevent dental problems. Use a dog-specific toothbrush and toothpaste, as human toothpaste can be harmful to dogs. Aim to brush their teeth at least a few times a week, if not daily. In addition to brushing, you can also give your husky dental chews or toys designed to promote dental health. These can help to remove plaque and tartar buildup. Regular dental checkups with your veterinarian are also important. Your vet can identify any potential problems early on and recommend the best course of treatment. Ticks and fleas are more than just a nuisance, they can transmit diseases to your husky. That's why it's crucial to have a year-round tick and flea prevention plan in place. Talk to your veterinarian about the best tick and flea prevention products for your husky. There are many different options available, including topical treatments, oral medications, and collars. Inspect your husky's fur regularly for ticks and fleas, especially after spending time outdoors. Pay close attention to areas where ticks like to hide, such as the head, neck, ears, and paws. If you find a tick, remove it immediately using fine-tipped tweezers. Grasp the tick as close to the skin as possible and pull straight up with steady, even pressure. After removing the tick, clean the area with antiseptic and monitor for any signs of infection. If you have any concerns, consult your veterinarian. So there you have it, everything you need to know to keep your husky looking and feeling their best. Remember, grooming is not just about aesthetics, it's an essential part of responsible dog ownership. By following these tips and making grooming a positive experience for both you and your husky, you'll strengthen your bond and ensure they live a long, healthy, and happy life. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more dog training and care tips. And remember, a calm and balanced dog starts with a calm and balanced human. See you next time.